Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another fantastic episode of Product Critique. I'm your host, and today, we have something incredibly exciting for all you PC builders and gamers out there. We're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB series DDR5 RAM. This kit is designed to elevate your PC experience to the next level, and we'll explore all its features in detail. Let's kick things off with an unboxing of the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM. When you open the box, you'll find a 64GB kit, comprising two 32GB modules. That's a substantial amount of memory power right there. These modules are designed for compatibility with Intel Z690, Z790 series chipsets, perfect for 12th, 13th Gen Intel Core CPUs or newer. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. G.SKILL has taken design seriously with the Trident Z5 RGB. The modules feature a dual-textured heat spreader design, with a sleek brushed aluminum strip inset into either a metallic silver or matte black body. On top, there's a translucent RGB light bar, and this is where things get exciting. The RGB lighting can be customized using the G.SKILL lighting control software or compatible third-party motherboard software. So, you have full control over colors and lighting effects to match your PC build theme. Performance-wise, this DDR5 kit is no slouch. It's rated at an impressive DDR5 6400 speed, with a low CAS latency of CL32 at 1.40 volts, thanks to Intel XMP 3.0 support. Overclocking enthusiasts will appreciate how easy it is to enable the XMP profile in the BIOS to unlock that rated overclock speed. However, remember that reaching the maximum overclock speed depends on the capability of your motherboard and CPU, so make sure your hardware can handle it. What sets the Trident Z5 RGB apart is the meticulous quality control. These modules are created from hand-screened DDR5 DRAM ICs, ensuring high memory performance on compatible DDR5 platforms. So, you're not just getting speed, you're getting reliability and stability. Now, who should consider this memory kit? It's perfect for those who demand high performance, whether you're into gaming or intensive multitasking. Dual-channel configuration ensures efficiency, and it's recommended for both high-performance tasks and gaming. A word of caution: G.SKILL emphasizes not mixing memory kits. These kits are sold as matched sets, and using them together ensures stability and prevents potential system failure. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM is a fantastic choice if you're looking to take your PC to the next level. Its sleek design, customizable RGB lighting, and overclocked DDR5 performance make it a compelling option for enthusiasts. Just remember to check compatibility with your motherboard and CPU before diving in. That wraps up our in-depth review of the G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 RAM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights, and until next time, happy building and gaming.